this video, we will show you how to use FlexClip Text to Video. If you guys want to get started with FlexClip, you can use the links down in the description. Start by visiting the FlexClip website on your browser. Next, go to the AI tab and then select the AI Text to Video option. Now click the Generate Video button. Go to AI Text to Video on the left side and describe the video you want to generate. For this, you have to log in first. Click the profile icon on the top right side and select Sign Up. Next, you can continue with Google by choosing your account. Click Continue and it'll start generating the video. Now it'll show you different videos and choose one. You can select any other video that describes your text better. Then click the Add to Timeline button on the top right side. Select the way to apply scenes and then apply. After generating, it'll be saved and then you have to wait for a few seconds. Click on the Export button, and if there are some files that are not loaded, then it'll show you. After loading those files, select the export settings. Then export the video, or you can export it with a watermark, free. Now it'll start exporting your video and you can view it on your device after downloading. So that's how to use FlexClip Text to Video. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with FlexClip. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.